Hello, amazing English learners, and welcome back to the only place on the internet where improving your English is actually fun. I'm Sarah, and I have to tell you something honest, maybe a little harsh. Ready? Your English is boring. Okay, hold on. Don't click away. I'm not saying you are boring, not at all. You're watching this, so you're clearly motivated and smart. What I mean is the words you're using. They're playing it safe. They're like plain white rice. They fill you up, but they have no spice. Think about it. How many times today have you used good? Nice? Very? They're fine. But when you use them, the person listening to you checks out. Their brain goes, "Yep, I've heard that one 1,000 times." But imagine this. You open your mouth and a power word comes out. A word that stops people in their tracks, makes you sound instantly more fluent, and turns that plain white rice into a 5-star meal. In the next few minutes, seriously, 2 minutes to learn them, a lifetime to use them, we're going to swap out your top 5 most boring words for 5 powerful magnetic replacements. And stick around, because power word number 5 is my secret weapon for sounding incredibly smart in any professional conversation. Power word 1, the good killer. All right, let's dive straight in with the word that is responsible for most of the boring English in the world. The word is good. Good job, good work, good day. It's too neutral. It's the dictionary definition of average. The power word replacement is exceptional. Repeat after me. Exceptional. It means unusually good, outstanding. It takes good and adds a tuxedo and a sparkling drink. Let's see the difference. Boring. The service at the restaurant was good. Powerful. The service at the restaurant was exceptional. Hear that? The second one is a compliment people remember. Audience challenge. Look at something near you right now. Your coffee mug, your notebook. If it's a good one, try and describe it out loud right now, using exceptional. Don't be shy. Say it. This is an exceptional. Great. See? Instant upgrade. Okay, on to the next verbal snooze fest. If you think exceptional is good, wait until you hear the word that kills very. Power word 2. The very villain. Our second villain isn't a word of its own. It's a modifier. It's the word we rely on when we can't think of a better adjective. I'm talking about very, very important, very big, very interesting. This word tells the listener, I'm not fluent enough to use a single strong word. Our power word replacement is essential, or its cool cousin, crucial. These words mean absolutely necessary or important. They take very important and make it sound like a life or death decision. Let's see the difference. Boring. It is very important to practice English every day. Powerful. Practicing English every day is essential. Notice how essential is shorter, punchier, and more commanding? It shows you have precision in your vocabulary. My English teacher used to say, the only time you should say very is when you're saying, I'm very, very sorry, after accidentally spilling coffee on your boss. And even then, maybe just say, I'm deeply sorry. We need to eliminate very from our vocabulary. Try this. The next time you want to say very happy, challenge yourself. Could you say ecstatic? The next time you want to say very hungry, could you say famished? Practice swapping the two words for one. Power word 3. The tired talker. Let's talk about describing how we feel, specifically when we are feeling exhausted. The word is tired. I'm so tired. We all use it. It's fine. But it sounds, well, tired. It doesn't capture the true state of your exhaustion. Our power word replacement is drained. Think about it. Drained is a perfect image. It's like all your energy, like water, has been completely emptied out. It's not just sleepy, it's empty. Let's see the difference. Boring. After working 2 shifts, I was so tired. Powerful. After working 2 shifts, I felt completely drained. I want to hear from you. If you're a teacher, a student, a parent, a traveler, what activity makes you feel drained? Using words like drained makes your conversation more descriptive, more emotional, and much more human. It connects you instantly with your listener. Power word number 4 targets the word we use when something is hard to do, understand, or manage. The word is difficult. Learning English grammar can be difficult. That puzzle was difficult. It's accurate, but it's a bit of a conversational dead end. Our power word replacement is complex. The word complex implies that something isn't just hard, but that it has many interconnected parts. It suggests a higher level of understanding, not just a struggle. Let's see the difference. Boring. The project was difficult. Powerful. The project had several complex components that required careful management. When you say something is complex, you sound like you're analyzing the structure, not just complaining about the effort. It's a huge professional upgrade. Students, when you're writing an essay or speaking in a professional setting, swap out difficult for complex. It instantly elevates your tone from student to expert. Power word 5. The thinking. Okay, we've arrived at my favorite. The secret weapon I promised you. This word is a little bit longer, a little bit sophisticated, and it's what you use instead of the basic verb, think. I think we should go. I think that's a good idea. Again, fine, but boring. The ultimate power word upgrade is contemplate. Repeat after me. Contemplate. It means to look thoughtfully for a long time at something, or to think about something deeply and carefully. It's thinking with a magnifying glass. Let's see the difference. Boring. I need to think about my career path. Powerful. I need to contemplate the various options for my future career path before deciding. Why is this a power word? Because when you say, I'm contemplating, it tells the listener that you are not giving a quick, lazy thought. You are giving a deep, considered, serious thought. It makes you sound wise. Use it in a meeting. Before we move forward, let's take a moment to contemplate the potential risks. Boom! You are the smartest person in the room. Your challenge this week is simple. Every time you catch yourself saying one of the boring words, stop, rewind, and force yourself to use its power word replacement. It will feel awkward at first, I promise. But that awkwardness is the sound of your fluency growing. Don't let your English be boring. It's too important. Take control of your vocabulary and watch how quickly people start paying attention when you speak. If you enjoyed this vocabulary masterclass, please do me an essential favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these 5 power words are you going to use first? Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you next time. You are all exceptional learners. Bye for now.